Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you know, I used to have long nails, then one of them broke and I fixed it, but then eventually I had to cut them all again, and I will have all those videos in the description box below so you can watch it if you missed it out or this is the first video that you're watching of mine. But basically, I had to cut all my nails, and I'm making this series where we grow our nails together. I know that many of my viewers said yes to this series, so I'm doing it, but I'm not going to post every day like video of my short little nails because there is nothing I do new every day, but I will post videos. I will post a video on how my go-to manicure when my nails are short, how to wrap short nail tip and everything like that. But in this first series or episode, I wanted to talk about my nails and tell you this is how my nails looked at day 1, and this is how they look at day 3. So they are basically growing already. I don't know how they are growing. All that I did in this period of time of 3 days was that I didn't apply any nail polish, and all I did, I applied natural coconut oil on my nails, on my hands, and that's all I did few times throughout the day. And I will have a video, I will have it linked in the description box as well. It's a video on how to grow your nails for beginners. It's basically you see those results within a week if you do them correctly, and I explained everything in that video. In particular, you can have nail polish on your nails. I just really my nails were so short that I didn't really want to paint them, but I did paint them. And I will make little updates on my nail growth with this video called Grow Nails With Me, and you'll get other videos as regular. So I hope that makes sense. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day and never let anyone dull your sparkle, and I will talk with you in another video. Bye!